Abby and Jordan are so grateful that each of you was willing to travel some distance to be part of this magic day. And I suspect most of us are grateful that our intrepid happy couple chose Mexico for their wedding celebration.
You're always down for an adventure, always laugh at my jokes. You encourage me to be a better communicator, and you always put in the extra effort in our relationship. You are the most supportive and understanding person I've ever met. You are the reason I'm able to pursue my career dreams, and you make me better at them.
You're my voice of reason, even when I don't want you to be. My biggest supporter, my own personal comedian, and my best friend. I promise to always be vulnerable and never take you for granted, and strive to be the best version of myself so I can be the best wife for you and our relationship.
A wedding is such a happy occasion, flawless in its good humor and joyful in its sense of well-being. But it's pretty safe to say that every day of your married life won't always be like this. Just as you've seen from building a business together, your life as a couple will have incredible successes and myriad challenges. But I'm confident that you will be well equipped to weather your relationship's ups and downs because of your deep mutual respect, your ability to communicate, and your readiness to laugh together.